Good morning. You are calling DNHS Restaurant. This is Grace speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, good morning. I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly, ma'am. May I know who's in the line, please?
Colleen Amigo.
Copy that, ma'am. May I also know the person who will use this reservation?
Still me.
Okay, ma'am. When would you like this reservation?
For this upcoming December 22, 2025 at 7 p.m.
Copy that, ma'am. May I know the time of your arrival?
Around 6:45 p.m.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have any preferred table location? Would you like your table location to be in a smoking or a non-smoking area?
A non-smoking area, please.
Copy that, ma'am. How many of you are coming, ma'am?
6 persons, 2 adults and 4 kids.
Okay, ma'am. Is there any occasion you are celebrating?
Actually, yes, it's my birthday celebration.
Wonderful to hear that, ma'am. Do you have any special request?
No. About the food and beverage, we will just order when we arrive there.
Copy that, ma'am. May I have your contact number, please?
0954-066-7410.
Okay, ma'am. I will repeat the details of your reservation. Your name is Colleen Lamigo, and you will also be the person who will use this reservation. This reservation is for upcoming December 22, 2025 at 7 p.m. The time of your arrival will be 6:45 p.m. and you preferred your table to be in a non-smoking area. There are 6 persons coming, 2 adults and 4 kids. And your contact number is 0954-066-7410. Did I get that all right, ma'am?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for calling the NHS restaurant. Hope to see you on the day of your arrival.
Bye!
Goodbye, ma'am. Have a good day. Mabuhay! Welcome to the NHS restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
Yes?
May I know the name of reservation, ma'am?
Colleen Amigo.
Alright, ma'am. Please have a seat. I will verify the reservation. Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am. The reservation is verified. This way, please. Is this your first time in this restaurant, ma'am?
Yes.
Thank you for choosing the NHS restaurant. We have a very good table reservation in your preference. This is the table we reserved for you, ma'am. Do you like it?
Yes.
Thank you. The food service attendant will attend to you in a moment. Excuse me.